Greetings, citizens. Okay, so I got another package here from Candy Japan. So you get 2 packages a month from them. So I want to check out some more Japanese candies and, you know, taste all the different flavors of the world. So I want to see what we got here. This package is a little bit smaller than the last one. Let me open it up from the bottom here. A little bit smaller than the last one.
You want some candy, Jedi? You want some candy? You want some candy? No candy for you. No candy for you.
Okay, like this package here looks pretty dangerous, everybody. I have no clue what this is, but it looks pretty intense. Got these little. It looks like there's a warning sign there, so I want to see what this is all about. It does have a warning sign. Like that's the only English word on there at all. It's just warning, 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 like all over the package. Warning. So kind of smells like pepperoni. Let's see. Woo! Whoa, sour. Woo! 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 Oh. Oh. Woo! Mmm. Oh man, they were not lying. Warning. It's really sour, but I can't spit it out. Oh, it's so good. It's just really intense. Wow. Okay. It's like a jelly bean. No, more chewy. It has a website, so it has a website on there, so I'm gonna leave the website down in the description below. Oh, you don't want this, buddy. You don't want this. You don't want this. You won't like this, Rock. You won't like this, Jedi. You won't like this, Jedi. Man, that was pretty intense. Pretty intense. So, pretty intense. Uh-oh, battle. It's the battle. Dun dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun dun. And this here. This one here, I don't know, it looks kind of like Pop Rocks. Looks kind of like Pop Rocks. There's like a little like explosion there, so maybe these are like Pop Rocks or something. So, man, that sour candy is still like. Okay, I don't know, like, I don't know. There's like a. Oh yeah. Pop Rocks with little yellow yummy pellets. A little more intense than regular Pop. A little more intense than regular Pop Rocks. Pretty yummy. Like that. Candy. So, got some candies here. I don't know what they are, but they're assorted chewing candies is what it says. That's the only English on the package here. So I have some here. Okay. I'm gonna try a blue one. Try a blue one here. Let's see. It's so good. I have no clue what it tastes like, but it's so good. It's really chewy. I thought it'd be like a jelly bean, but it's not a jelly bean. Candy Japan, 2 packages a month. Really delicious candy. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have, hit the subscribe button down below, hit the like button, and I will see you next time. Later, citizens.